Question 10. A box is made from a rectangular piece of cardboard, 100 centimeters by 40 centimeters, by cutting out the shaded areas and folding along the dotted lines as shown in the diagram above. Express the length L in terms of the height h. Alright, so if we look at our diagram, we see that we have h over here, we have L over here. We also notice that this side is equal to 40 centimeters because we're dealing with a rectangle. We also notice that this side is equal to 100 centimeters. So they're by 100 by 40 like we were told. Now, what do they mean when they say express the length L in terms of the height h? Well, basically, they want us to solve for L and show that that L is equal to an expression that is only in terms of h. So what I'm trying to say is when they say express the length L, what they mean is they're trying to say what is L equal to, whereby the only variable it's equal to or consisting of is the variable h plus maybe some constants or whatsoever. So that's not too difficult. If we know that this side is equal to 40 centimeters, and they tell us here that this side is equal to h and an L, doesn't it make sense to say, okay, that's the same as saying 40 equals h plus L plus h. Common term, 2h plus L. And now what do you notice? We have an expression in terms of h and L, but they want us to find an expression for L in terms of h. So just rearrange this. All we need to do here is rearrange. So we solve for L. Bring L to the one side, isolate it, and what we find on the right-hand side, we have an expression for L in terms of h and a constant. And that's all we have to do. That is solving for L, expressing L in terms of the variable h. And that is the problem solved.